will blow your mind and leave you so far behind. And soon as they get whatever they want, you look around for them and they'll be gone. So beware of the lovesick child. You better keep your eyes open for them. I'm talking about a lovesick child. Here's one thing about it. A lovesick child will tell you the first time they lay eyes on you, I'm in love with you, baby, yeah. And there ain't nothing I wouldn't do for you. It's true that they love fast, but they sure don't love long. Soon as they get whatever they want, look out, they will be gone. So baby, beware of the lovesick child. You better keep your eyes open for them. I'm talking about a lovesick child, because a lovesick child will blow your mind and leave you so far behind. And soon as they get whatever they want, you look around for them and they'll be gone. So beware of the lovesick child. You better keep your eyes open for them. I'm talking about the lovesick child. Another thing about them, a lovesick child don't care whose feelings that they hurt. Soon as they're through with you, you don't mean them no good. They'll walk over you like dirt. And it's true that they love fast, but they sure don't love long. Soon as they get whatever they want, look out, 'cause they will be gone. So baby, beware of the lovesick child. You better keep your eyes open for them. I'm speaking about the lovesick child. You know what? You ought to just get out the way.